When you know your oven well enough, and you know your dough well enough, you can start doing some pretty amazing things. My name is Jeremy. I'm a clinical psychologist. I started my pizza journey when I got my pizza oven. I really got into it. I started buying books. I took some different courses. I even did a 3-day workshop in LA.
So Jeremy is definitely the expert when it comes to pizza making. My role is really to be the taste tester. Okay, what are you making tonight?
We can do some margaritas, or we can do lemon ricotta.
Let's do lemon ricotta.
We have people over a lot. Not to toot my own horn, but my pizza's become somewhat famous amongst my friends. And I've just tried all sorts of different things. I tried different types of dough. I tried different types of sauces, different recipes. Voila.
I'll have a margarita, please.
Coming right up. I've had the Ciao Quattro now since April. I've made a ton of pizza. I've loved every minute of it. I think it's a phenomenal oven. Highly recommended. I think I want to get going so I can go eat my pizza.